Hi everyone there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the password on your Android phone quickly and easily. First, go to the Settings app by tapping on the gear icon. This is where you can manage all the important features and options on your phone. Next, scroll down and find the Security or Security and Privacy option. The name may vary slightly depending on your Android version. Tap on it to continue. Now, look for the lock screen or screen lock option and tap on it. At this point, your phone will ask you to enter your current password, PIN, or pattern for security verification. Enter it correctly to proceed. Once you're inside the screen lock settings, you'll see different lock options such as pattern, PIN, password, and none. To remove the password completely, tap on the None option. A confirmation message may appear asking if you're sure you want to remove your screen lock. Confirm your choice by tapping Yes or Remove. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy Android tutorials.